This blood orange was dropping its leaves and fruits, so I repotted it. I put a new compost in there and I gave it a Italian citrus feed, and then it still kept dropping its leaves. That was about three and a half weeks ago. And this morning I came out in the garden and I gave it a prune. I pruned it, and then I noticed it's got new leaves growing. Here we are, and there, there, and then it started to shoot suckers from the bottom where it's been underneath the graft, bare root. I cut them off as well. Here's another one. Yeah, new leaves, new branches. So it's doing really well. There's a new branches. So it's looking good. So far, so good. There as well. Same as clementine. It's got new growth. New growth there, and it's got a new growth coming down here as well. More growth here. And up here. So replanting it or repotting it into a bigger pot, I thought, oh, it's not doing well. But after I gave it a Italian fertiliser, citrus fertiliser, I've noticed new shoots. And after I pruned it as well, I'm very happy with that. So hopefully next year I should start getting fruit, because it started to flower and it formed little tiny fruits, big as peas, and they start dropping as well. But now that I notice new growth on it, it's going to look really healthy next year. So if you got a citrus fruit tree in a pot, don't be scared. Prune it, repot it with a fresh fertilizer in a bigger pot, and they would start growing again. Seems to me like very hard to kill a citrus fruit.